Hi, I'm Mónica Chacín, and I love to introduce you to my guide, SEO Copywriting for Beginners, DIY Flight Plan in the AI Era. This guide is the updated version of one I first created in 2020 with help from experts who review it and approve the method. It's designed to help you learn in a fresh and creative way. Imagine your business as a plane waiting at the gate. Your website is the control center, your content is the energy, and your readers are the passengers. The destination? More visibility, more engagement, and more sales. Whether people find you through Google or AI tools like Gemini, Perplexity, or ChatGPT. But the skies are crowded. You're not just competing to be on Google's first page. You're competing to be the answer AI platforms choose to show. That's why I created this guide. It's your flight plan for writing content that ranks on search engines, shows up in AI-generated answers, converts without sounding aggressive. Each section is a stop on your journey. You will learn how to understand your audience, write with purpose, and create content that connects and converts. It's a DIY, do-it-yourself guide, so you can take control of your content, make smart choices, and grow your brand, even if you're just starting. I designed it to be simple and inspiring, because writing today isn't just about tech, it's about real connection and clear results. And if you ever need help at SEO Copylab, we're here to help you fly even higher. Ready to take off? Let's fly!